So hello guys, again welcome to my mad effect. So today I'm gonna show you an amazing effect which is known as the tone and distort. So for this effect, first of all, the spectator may choose any card he may like. So suppose they choose this card which is right here. So I will show you the card. It's actually the 8 of hearts. So I will just take this 8 of heart right here. So you could have choose any card, right? But you choose but you chose 8 of heart which is right here. So but you choose this card, right? So what I am gonna do, I am gonna just take this card just like this and turn it from here again just like this, and then vertically this way and this way. Now your card has been completely torn. See, it's been completely ripped. So what I am gonna do, I am gonna actually take a card from it, suppose this one, place it right here, and I will just take this all torn pieces and put it right inside the box. So I am just gonna take this stone pieces and just put it right inside the box this way. So now what you are gonna do, why don't you just sign this card which I have right here. So for that I need a marker. Let me check my this pocket. No, I don't have it here, but I think I have it here. Yeah, approximately right here. So I will just take this marker and they will sign it however they may like. So suppose they sign this. So after this what I am gonna do, I am gonna just do some magical gesture like blow this and just close this box. See, just like this nicely. I am not doing anything to this box, I am just closing it very nicely. See this box, so I am just closing it, and if I shake it, can you hear it? There is something actually inside the box. See, there is actually one card inside the box, and that card is actually your card restored. See, it approximately fits your card just like this. It perfectly fits your card. So that's actually your card which has been restored. See, so let's jump to the tutorial. So for this trick you're gonna need two identical cards. So first of all, you're gonna need two identical cards for this trick. So get ready with the identical card, any card which is, suppose I choose seven of hearts right here. So I'm just gonna take the seven of hearts which is the identical one and do one fold, one vertical fold, two vertical fold, one horizontal fold and another horizontal fold, and now you will got a crimp just like this. Now you are gonna tore it just like this way, place it right here, then take this part and just put it inside the box. After this you are gonna force the card whichever way you may like. I had shown 10 way to force a card. I had also made a tutorial, but let me show you one force. Just shuffle down the card, spectator says stop here, hand over the card, and it's seven of hearts. So just place the card which you have to force on the top and just shuffle card. You slip four, just drag this card with these three fingers just like this. So it's actually in this position. So I had made a detailed tutorial on 10 way to force a card, just check that out. So after this you force a card which is the seven of hearts. So while you are doing this, you are placing this card right here. See, you are placing this card right here in this position under your hand, and this card is right here. So after this you force this card by whichever method you may like. Suppose the riffle force, show the card spectator their card. You are gonna strip this part piece with along with this card just like this. Then you are gonna tore this piece keeping it backwards. See, it will look something like this in the exposed view. just this way, and after this horizontally keeping this card in the mark, so you know where this card is. You don't have to mix this card, but act like you are picking a random card and just pick this card and take it aside, which is give it to the spectator. Now putting this in the box. So while you are putting these things in the box, you are gonna take it and actually push it down this way and catch it with this finger. So after this, it's in this finger, then you have a marker in your left pocket, just this way. You have a marker in your left pocket, and these are the cards. So it's you are in this position. So what you are gonna do after this, you are gonna go into I need a marker, and go into your right pocket just like this. No, it's not here. Then after this, you are gonna hold the box in a mechanical grip, ditching these pieces in this hand and making a fist directly going in this pocket and ditching the cards right there. And after this, you are gonna take the marker out. Now I ditched all the card in my pocket right here, all the cards in my pocket. So it's all the cards are in my pocket. So after this, you take out the marker, ask the spectator to sign. So that's the all trick has now been over. Now just shake the box. Here is the card. Just ask the spectator remove the card, their card, and that's their card. Asked to match, it will definitely match because that's the card you had already torn and kept in the box. So that's the tone and restore effect. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace out.